Breakfast is served.
Wow. I can't.
All right, we got another one of these tuna steaks. Man, I can't get enough of that. I eat that every night. We're back at Coca for the night. Coming back to get another grilled tuna fish fillet and garlic. That was amazing. I had to get another one. Get some food to take back for the night. Have a little local drink. Call it a day. Hey, we just had our last little tuna steak at this Coca restaurant in Montezuma. Amazing, amazing tuna steak. Probably the best one I've ever had. We're down at the beach, wrapping it up, smoking last one before we call it a night. We got a tour booked for tomorrow, bioluminescent tour on a boat going through this bright blue water. Makes you feel like you're on another planet. So we're super looking forward to that. Can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. And for today, we're gonna call it a wrap. Go get some sleep. Peace. We're gonna go out and see this bioluminescent water, go on a little boat tour. I'm not sure if I'll be able to capture anything because it's camera and it's not as good as our eyeballs, but the local said it looks crazy right now. It's one of the best times of the year. It's a new moon. So we're gonna go check it out and hopefully splash each other with some little alien water.
To leave the boat and we continue by car from Pochote to Montezuma, Santa Teresa. Rules on the boat so simple, keep sit all the time, keep your hands inside of the boat.
You're so crazy.
Can you blame me? All right, it's our last day in Montezuma. We're about to go see this waterfall. It's right in the center of Montezuma, magical place. Might have seen a photo of me standing in front of this waterfall at some point, but we're gonna go check it out. Come back, have a little lunch, come check out this waterfall with us. Let's get up this little hike. Everything's packed up. We are ready to roll. and get back to Santa Teresa. We're gonna go back to that same first spot that we stayed at because it was badass. So why not do another 2 nights? All right, guys, welcome to Santa Teresa. Check out this spot. Be sure to follow my Instagram at Andre Got Bars and also my Twitter. You'll find all my links on there if you want to see the full versions of these vlogs and stuff that you can't see on YouTube. Last night in Santa Teresa, perfect sunset. Got an awesome little drone shot. We're about to pack up our stuff, have an awesome dinner, probably do another whole fried fish, maybe do a little homemade frosty. We're getting off to San Jose tomorrow. But man, this has been such an awesome adventure. We got to ride horses. We got to go see bioluminescent water. We got to ride ATVs and see waterfalls. Film some amazing content while we were here. Make sure you check that out. And pretty awesome trip. Can't wait for the next one.
Yeah.
Ciao. Pack up in the morning, go to San Jose, go to this really cool spot, and do a little bit more filming. Have an awesome breakfast tomorrow. But the night's almost wrapped up.
I just turned around for a second. Just a second.
Told you. Nothing like it. All right, dinner's served. I just brought this up the hill. We got 2 whole grilled fish croquettes. Yes, sir. Let's go. We smacking down tonight. Woke up feeling good today.
Oh, not here.
This little guy decided to join me for breakfast. Come here, buddy. Here you go. See you later, alligator. All right, breakfast is served. Got a local Gouda cheese, fresh local bread, ribeye, fresh fruit I just cut up, watermelon, pineapple, oranges. Should be good. Let me wake this one up. Let her know we're done. All right, breakfast is served. We're at the Cobano Airport again. About to load up on this little purple plane and get back to San Jose. Should be a quick and easy, beautiful flight. made it.
Can I go up?
Welcome to the Bat Cave. Do you feel like a supervillain yet?
Oh my god. Wow.
A little bit better than a hotel.
Oh my god, yes.
You trying to
Uh-huh.
got the grill, got the hot tub.
Oh, that's so cute.
Ah, there's no rails though. I guess I'm gonna have to rail you.
Is that right?
Pretty awesome last spot. So that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in and joining us on our adventures in Costa Rica. Until the next one, ciao. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe so you can see what's going on behind the scenes.